Hi, I am happy to inform you that I won the International Excellence Award for 2026 from Exceller Books for my book, The Tactical Negotiator. Belong to everyone who believes strategy can change lives. Negotiation is not just for boardrooms, it shapes our daily lives, conflicts, and destiny. I wrote to demystify the art of deal, blending real world leadership with timeless wisdom to give clarity and contents. The Tactical Negotiator is available worldwide on Kindle, Amazon, Flipkart, Jiffy Bees. Grab a copy today, read it, share your insights and feedback in the comments. Share this video with anyone who needs it, and don't forget to like, engage and subscribe. Let us negotiate for brighter world. I dedicate it to every reader who has embraced negotiation as a tool for prosperity and growth. May this recognition remind us all the excellence is not absolute titles or trophies, but about the impact we create in the lives of others. Thank you.